So today's smoothie experiment is going to be a little bit different, and I'll tell you why in a minute. So I've started off with some milk and some water in this jug. I'm going to add some ice cubes. So nothing unusual so far. And I've got fresh strawberries today, and the only ones I could find today were very small ones, but they do look like they're full of flavour. I've got some fresh blueberries that I'm going to add, and I'm going to whisk this up. So at the moment, this would be quite a nice milkshake, and that tastes quite bland actually at the moment. So the next bit of my experiment is that I'm going to add half a banana. I'm only adding half because this is quite a big banana. So I'll whisk that up. Now I am doing a taste test all the way through this, and you'll be glad to know I'm the only person drinking this, so it's okay for me to do it through the straw. Okay, the taste is actually immediately better with the banana added. But now I'm going to add some of this blue juice. And then I'm going to whisk that up. But wait till you see the rest of my experiment. So taste test. That's a nice flavour. I want a different texture though for my smoothie today, so let me show you what else I'm going to add. I'm going to add an apricot fromage frais. I'm going to add a few frozen pineapple chunks. Just a few, mind you, just a few. I'm going to whisk that together, but I've still got one more thing I want to add. Right, do a taste test. Yeah, the flavour is getting more and more interesting for me. So at first, strawberries and blueberries on their own were not a good enough. Not the taste, it was too bland for me. Each step of the way, the flavour has got better and acceptable. But I just want to continue my experiment. I hope I don't regret it. I know you can go too far. But it's only an experiment. So I'm now going to add some frozen mango chunks, and not too many either. Not too many. So I've whisked that up. Another taste test. Yeah, it's nice. I mean, I wouldn't say it was any nicer than it was without the mango. There's only one more thing I want to do, because I'm not quite happy with the consistency. I don't think it's as thick as it should be for a smoothie. Usually I add a little bit of cream, and that really makes a difference with the thickness, but I don't have any cream today. So I'm going to add a little bit more banana, because I think that will thicken it up a little bit more. Let's see. Final taste test. Taste is good. I do like it better with all the added fruit and flavours rather than just blueberries and strawberries on their own. But I also find that when I use frozen strawberries and blueberries, I get a better flavour. I don't know why, but using the fresh ones with the milk, I don't know, it just doesn't give me the strong enough flavour. So let me show you the consistency, and I pour it into my cup here. It's not bad, quite thick. It could be even thicker. I think it depends what you like. And for me, as a refreshing drink, I'm very happy with that. I'm trying to show you. That's the drink there. Oh, trying to film it at a funny angle.